Get too fucking bad. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to play a little song for you by the Beatles. It's George Harrison's song. Here it goes. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. It's alright. Oh yeah.
Action.
Fuck! This watch costs more than your car. That's my name.
Okay. Now it gets busy. Now it gets busy. These fucking assholes. They're just waiting for me. That's it. They're parked. It's like they have a little transmitter right on the other side of the street. Nobody will give me my time of day.
Okay. It's called The Damage Done. It's all a little off my back. I watch the needle dig another man, yeah. Oh, oh, the damage done. Oh, yeah. Needle off my band. Watch the needle take another man. Gone, gone, the damage done. Oh, yes. I know now I have black skin up on my face. I'm a real live wire in the human race. And I'm a bird snapper. Oh. Hello, today in class we don't have any homework. Today, no work. We have 45 minutes, you can do whatever you want, and we have cold pop. Oh. Oh. When Princeton town came rushing through, he said, have a call. And I am a sad son of a bitch here, because this is not what I want to do anymore. Just kidding. Thought I was pissed, didn't you? Okay, hi. Hi, we're gonna have fun today. We're gonna learn a lot of things. We're gonna have school. Yeah. Guess what? We get to sit. We have. Yeah. I'm a clown. And we get to sit and we write things with a pencil. See, isn't that neat? That little thing you put in your fingers and you go like this and you scribble and you make little lines and then you hand it in at the end of the day and I say, hey, you got an A, sonny boy. And that's the way school works. It's completely out of hand.
Action.
Okay, well, let's get back to the subject of hand here. Mr. Principal Lazarus just spanked me on the ass. And now I'm back to teach again. Yeah. You know what? You can do whatever you want. You know what?
And there you go.
Okay, this is 39 supposedly. Okay. Yeah.
That part's hard.
Is a sign for the day I'll take your hand.
Okay.
Yeah.